Guys, today I'm gonna log into CRM Sales Pro and show you exactly how to set up a meeting, all right? Get that in your view, get it locked in. I'm gonna show you right now, and then I'm gonna discuss how incredibly affordable this whole program is. So let's get straight into this. So guys, here I am logged in to the CRM Sales Pro dashboard. Now, you can get with 3 different plans to log in and find these features, right? And I'm going to talk about them at the end of this video, but let's go ahead and start with what we're talking about today. So as you look down the left hand side, you're going to see all of the different features. Today, guys, we're talking about adding a meeting. Once you've added this meeting in, it is stored there for you. It's super easy. So first thing I want to know is the entries per page. You can go up to 25. I always have it on 25, okay? This is one of my dummy dashboards that I'm using for you, so you can see I have no meetings assigned right now. We have a search bar there, so you can simply search for a meeting with the name George, and it will pick the ones out. Now, guys, super easy, all right? The other one thing I want to show you is the action. It can do it from the top to the bottom, and you can change all these yourself. Now, to get this, you can go in grid view, okay? And it'll start like this. We can add the meeting in, or you can carry on it in list view. In grid view, you can simply click start there. In list view, you just have to come up here and press create. Okay, so let's go in grid view. Let's press new meeting. This is exactly what you do. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this, guys. Play around with this on your own, of course. So the name, I'm going to put George, okay? I'm going to put George Stevenson. It's a meeting with George Stevenson. Was it planned? It's been held. Okay, so you can change this from planned, held to not held. Now, the date you want to start, choose whatever date you need to and whenever it's going to end, right? This is a very long meeting. This is like a week's meeting. The parent, so you're going to choose the role that you want to be the parent, okay? So I'm going to be the lead. So George Stevenson is the lead. And the parent user, okay? Once you've set up users in the users tab on here, you'll be able to choose your own user. Now, the description, this meeting is to discuss why you have not subscribed to this channel yet. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do right now, because that's what this meeting is about. And assigning the user, again, over here, you'll see a user task, all right? Make sure you assign that user with the parent user, and they can be there. That's the same again with the attendees and the contact, okay? And the attendees lead. Once you've got all that information, you simply click save, all right? And it's gonna add the meeting here. Again, you can go back into list view if you want. Either way, okay, it's gonna add that meeting for you. So guys, how much does this cost? Like, I know you're looking at this thinking that was the easiest way to ever set up a meeting. Well, guys, you can actually get involved and start using all these features. That was just one that I'm showing you for $0, all right? Just to test it out. But what I would recommend is getting involved with a Lifetime Pro of $99. But the Lifetime Basic is $59. That's more affordable for you. It's got 3 gig cloud server, 5 users, 5 accounts, 5 content. But the big package, the Lifetime Pro is 10 gigabyte server, 999 users, 999 accounts, 999 contacts. And guys, I know what you're thinking, $99 a month. I don't know if I can afford that. This is a one-time payment. Simple. One time. You pay $99. That link down below, you get a massive discount, okay? $99, and you are going to pay one time and get everything that we just spoke about. Really easy, guys. Look for more videos on this channel where we go through every single one of these features on the left-hand side, okay? But today, I've just showed you how to set up a meeting, so let's get it. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.